Welcome. You are watching an overview of GST solutions from Yogaparthiban Associates. This session is structured to first provide a brief introductory context. We will then systematically address the key pillars of our service offering, the dynamics of the GST landscape, a comprehensive overview of our core services, the depth of our litigation expertise, and our strategies for compliance and risk management. We will then showcase our specialized areas before detailing why Yogaparthiban Associates is the right partner for your needs, followed by an opportunity for questions. Yogaparthiban Associates, your premier GST law firm specializing in high-stakes litigation and strategic advisory, ensuring your business is not just compliant, but legally fortified against disputes. We operate within a challenging environment characterized by constantly evolving jurisprudence, the scrutiny of aggressive departmental audits, and underlying interpretational ambiguity in complex areas of the law. GST Advisory in Legal Opinion. We provide clarity in complexity. We provide GST solutions essential for strategic corporate moves, covering everything from compliance during mergers and acquisitions to achieving tax efficiency through supply chain optimization and the structuring of new business models. To ensure your business fully utilizes its input tax credit, we systematically execute eligible claim reviews, work to remove credit blockages, conduct mandatory vendor reconciliation, and provide expert guidance on Rule 34(6) compliance. Litigation and dispute resolution. Handling your notices and summons. Our comprehensive support spans all tiers of representation, including before adjudicating authorities, appellate authorities, and the High Court and Supreme Court. For complex or novel transactions, we provide support in obtaining a binding ruling from the authority for advance ruling. Our litigation success stories. Compliance and risk management. Embracing the principle that prevention is better than cure, our specialized Health Check service offers a comprehensive legal audit of your GST returns and records. We meticulously review past filings, reconciliation statements, and crucial documentation to proactively identify potential exposure areas, such as RCM liability or ineligible input tax credit, and recommend timely corrective actions before a departmental notice is issued. We offer specialized contract review and drafting services, ensuring that compliance obligations are seamlessly embedded within all contractual agreements. Our registration services encompass a full spectrum of needs, including obtaining multi-state registrations, processing necessary amendments, and managing revocation proceedings. We specialize in refund management, efficiently navigating the process to help you unlock crucial working capital. We provide expert anti-profiteering advisory services to ensure full compliance with regulatory requirements. Have a glance on GST on our services. Choose Yogaparthiban Associates for our strategic approach, strong litigation focus, and commitment to providing a timely response to your legal needs. A glimpse on our expert team. Should you have any queries, please feel free to contact us. We are dedicated to providing effective solutions and resolving your issues promptly. Thank you.